So first one is he plays football every Tuesday. Every means, so this is his habit. Second one is so far, till now. This is the completed action, has one. Okay, one sentence is left. So I forgot. Okay, who's there? Akshara, now try to speak up, please. Number 3.
Understand what you are trying to tell me.
Yes, I understand what you are trying to tell me. Okay. So please note down the answers. I'm moving to the next 5 questions after 1 minute. Savya, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
In the fifth sentence, there isn't the answer had peeled.
I had peeled
Because
potatoes. बेटा before
because
अगर
two are
before होता ना यहाँ पे okay I'll explain you. So had peeled beta had plus V3 we use when the action is finished before some action. But here 2 actions are going on side by side. Number 1 he is calling. Second one I am peeling potatoes. So 2 actions are going on side by side. Then you will use past continuous. But before hota hai na, before you called me, then you could use had peeled. Okay. So okay, next one is yes, Karthik, your question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
No, okay. Maybe network issue. Okay, now I'm moving forward, beta. 6 to 10. So these are the next one. You have to fill it. Then I will ask you. You have 1 minute. Complete it, beta. You have 1 minute. I will ask you randomly, not order wise. Chalo, फिर I'll give chance to same students then. Okay. Harmeet.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 7. Quickly, beta. Number 7.
I will be going.
Why so? Going is the process that will continue. Okay, Akshara, Adgun, Karthik, jaldi se.
I will go.
I will
Simple.
go.
I will go.
Simple. Okay. I will go. This is my plan that I will go to the beach next Sunday. Okay. So next one is now I'm going to randomly I'm going to unmute 3 students and let me see who will give answer. So the sentence number 9. 9.
he drinks tea in the morning at 7 o'clock.
ये आगे routine बेटा. This is the routine one action. So he drinks tea in the morning at 7 o'clock. Okay. So next, Jasmine is there. Okay. So Jasmine, Saksham, Samar. I'm going to unmute you together. You have to speak. Let me see who will speak first. So number 8.
He
Has
was
been
looking.
looking.
Okay. Saksham,
Has
आपने बोलो.
been looking.
Yes, ma'am.
Saksham, what is your answer? Okay, Jasmine, I heard your answer. Saksham, your answer.
Ma'am, she was looking.
Okay. Anyone else, better? There is problem in both the answers. Anyone else? So let me circle one thing. So Saksham, this is for you, beta. Since for, okay? Okay. So Jasmine, your answer, you tried to give your answer correct, but there was one problem there. So I'm unmuting Gaurish, Harmeet, and Raghav together. Now speak up.
Ma'am, she had been looking.
Ma'am, she had been looking.
Okay, Raghav, your answer?
Ma'am,
She had been
she had been looking her lost watch for 2 hours.
Okay, fine. Jasmine, I think you said that she has been looking. See, beta, this word, this did, Hana, did shows us that this is past tense. So since for in past tense, that means had been looking. Okay. Okay, only one sentence is left. So I'm going to unmute you together. All of you, you can speak up
Ma'am,
the sentence. Who's speaking? Please tell me.
ma'am, or me.
Yes, Harmeet. Harmeet,
My teacher,
all of you together. All of you together.
my
Ma'am,
teacher,
my teacher
Teacher
advised
advised
had
me to
advised
frame
me.
a timetable.
I'm advised.
Ma'am
Advised.
advice.
Ma'am
Advised.
advised.
मैम हैज एडवाइस नहीं आएगा
Has advised आ
हैज
सकते हैं बेटा.
एडवाइस
Okay, you can write. अगर just उन्होंने recently आपको ये बात बोली है, then you can write. Okay. So my teacher advised. My teacher has advised. Okay. So my teacher advises also. Maybe daily she give you advice, or maybe after 2 days she advises you to frame a timetable. Okay. So advises also. So this was tenses. This was the topic tenses. Now I'm moving to the next one. That is the transformation. You have to transform the sentences. So first one is change into exclamatory sentence. Change into exclamatory sentence. You can change into exclamatory by using two ways. First way is how plus adjective. Okay, or another way is what plus generally with what we use article. Okay, what article. Now please change it. Now I'm not going to give you time, it's easy. So other students also please raise hand. I'm starting from the bottom. Chitesh. Chitesh is there. Chitesh, tell me first answer. You can use how or you can use what.
Yes, ma'am. What a beautiful night it is. Ma'am, I am also checked because of light. Ma'am, my computer
okay.
switch off हो गया था.
Okay, no problem. हाँ जी बेटा. Your answer. And who is this child, beta? He just comma is written. There is no name. Yes, please tell me your name. No, he disappeared. Okay, Chehek, you can speak up your answer, but I didn't hear it. I didn't hear it. Yes, please.
Ma'am, what a beautiful night it is.
Yes, exactly. What a beautiful night it is. Yes, correct. And you can just make using how also. Ipsa, please make using how. Ipsa. Are you there? Okay, next section Samarth. Quickly, beta.
मैम सेकंड
बेटा आप फर्स्ट कोई यूजिंग हाउ बनाना प्लीज एक्सक्लेमेटरी हाउ
हाउ
Mhm.
हाउ अ ब्यूटीफुल नाइट इट इज
How beautiful night it is. Okay, now second answer. It was a wonderful sight.
व्हाट अ वंडरफुल साइट इट वाज
Okay, well done. What a wonderful sight it was. Correct answer. Next is Shubh.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3 beta.
What a wonderful piece of work man is.
Yes, exactly. What a wonderful piece of work man is. Okay. Adgun number 4. We have so many other parts also, so please do quickly. Yes, Adgun. Adgun, are you there? Okay. Karthik is there. Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, last sentence.
Last sentence.
How incredible how incredible beautiful woman is.
How incredibly beautiful woman she is. Okay. Okay. So whenever adverb is there, you can just cut this word also. You can simply write how beautiful woman she is. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Next,
am I audible?
who's speaking? Karthik. Okay. Yes, you were audible. I don't know who was asking. Yes, you were audible. Okay. Second one. Change an exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. Change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. So here you can start your sentence using it is. Always. You can start your sentence from it. Now I'm giving you turn one by one. So first one, okay, Savya. Yes, please, Savya. First answer.
Yes, ma'am. It is a beautiful flower.
It is a beautiful flower. Okay. Raghav, number two. Raghav, number two, beta. Okay, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is a great victory.
It is a great victory. Okay. Jasween, number three. Jasween. Where are you, all of you? Why are you not unmuting? What happened? Yes, Jasween.
Yes, ma'am.
Number three.
It is kind of you to help me like that.
Okay. Him का meaning बनाना. Him will remain same. ठीक है? It is kind of you to help him like that. Okay. So it is kind. Always start your sentence with it. ठीक है? Whenever you are changing exclamatory to assertive, then it will be easy for you. It is kind of you to help him like that. Okay. Then full stop will be there. Next is Shubh. Shubh, last one.
Yes, ma'am. It is a pleasant morning.
It is a pleasant morning. Yes. So see, it is very easy. When you will start, you will write it. Automatically, the sentence will come to your mind. Okay. Okay. The next one. Next question. Just wait. Change imperative sentence into interrogative sentence. Who will do this? Raise your hand on your screen. Harmeet and Savya, speak up better.
Yes,
One by
ma'am.
one.
Would you stop? Would you stop it?
Okay, Harmeet, what is your answer?
Ma'am, would you stop? Ma'am, वो ही वाला.
It will be better for you if you will use will better. Will you stop it? Okay? Otherwise, it is correct. Next
Okay,
one,
ma'am.
3 students together.
Yes,
Akshay,
ma'am.
Jasmeen,
Ma'am,
Karthik.
would you please give me a
Would
glass
you
of
please
water?
give me a glass of water?
Try to use will, please. Will.
Will you please give me a
Will
glass?
you please?
अगर
Ma'am,
आपने
next time.
will you please
Pass the book. Will you please pass the book?
चलो किसी ने बोल दिया will you please pass the book. There is no please, so please don't use the word please. It's an order. Pass that book. Pass the book. So will you pass the book? Simply. Okay. Okay. So whenever you have to change imperative to interrogative, use the word will. Okay. Keep these things in mind. Now the next one, change the interrogative sentence to assertive and vice versa. Vice versa means जहाँ पे assertive है उसको interrogative में, जहाँ पे interrogative है उसको assertive में. Okay. So we have 5 minutes. So who's there? जिसकी turn नहीं आई. Yes, Madhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Madhav, your roll number is 29.
Now onwards.
Achha, now onwards. Okay. So, okay, beta, tell me number 3. Read the sentence and tell me number 3.
They have not succeeded.
change into
Have they succeed?
okay. Have they succeed? Yes, if a negative sentence is there, you can change it to interrogative by changing into positive. So have they succeeded? This one, अगर आप ये लिखोगे have they not succeeded, that is also correct. Okay. Next one, who's there? जिसकी turn नहीं आई आज. Let me find out. Actually, there is no one. Jasmine, number two.
Does he participate? He participates in class.
He participates in class. Okay. Next, who's there? Adgun, please take the screenshots. Beta, only 2 minutes are there. So, Savya, Gaurish, Karthik.
Yes,
You
Yes,
will
ma'am.
speak up the fourth sentence. Let me see who will speak it correctly.
Yes, ma'am. Did she go to the
Did she
kitchen?
go to
Ma'am, did she go to
did
the
she go
kitchen?
to the kitchen?
Okay, all correct. Went is there. You will use did. Did she?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम जो आपने मेरे से पहले वाला सेंटेंस पूछा था मैम उसका आंसर बता दो एक बारी.
Which one, beta? Last exercise from the last slide.
Yes, मैम वो जो आप एक्सक्लेमेटरी में चेंज करना है. She is an incredibly beautiful woman.
Okay. How incredibly beautiful woman she is.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in these type of sentences, can we remove adverb?
You can remove beta. अगर आप ये लिखोगे how beautiful she is, it is also correct.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
And ma'am,
Yes. Just हाँ जी बेटा.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in third sentence in C exercise, ma'am, can we write the answer that do they succeed? Ma'am, sorry, did they succeed?
In the third one, beta. Why so?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Beta, there's one helping verb, na? Helping verb have succeeded is the third form. This is not the second form. I think you are just thinking that this is second form. ये have के साथ आई है third form. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So have plus third form always there. So sometime third and second form are same, and we just have that doubt that this is second form. Actually, they are the third form. Okay. So next one is Shubh. Shubh, please tell me number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5. Okay, Sakhin Sumarth also. Anyone can speak.
Yes, ma'am. Did we enjoy ourselves at the party?
Okay. So Shubh, second form is there. So you can use did plus first form.
Ma'am, I was also thinking for did.
Okay. So next one. Only one is left. Did she meet Ritika? चलो गौरीश आप एंड कर दो इस एक्सरसाइज का. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. She met Ritika.
Okay. She met Ritika. Did plus first form, otherwise second form is there. She met Ritika. Correct answer. So this was the C exercise. Now let me see, is there any exercise left or not? Even I don't remember. Just see. Let's see. Okay, there is no exercise. So now you can join the next class. Okay. So tomorrow we'll do something adjective. Yes, attributive. That subjective one. So tomorrow we'll do it adjectives. Okay. Don't miss the class. That's important. So take care, beta. Bye.